Here we are doing a video of the BestHand 6600 series backhoe, and this tractor, this is a 3032E series. It has a safety switch under the seat, so there's a couple functions you need to follow to operate it. Go ahead. It has to be in neutral when you start it. Yep. And there's the parking brake has to be engaged then, because otherwise, if you kick, now he's going to kick on the PTO here. If he had not done that and kicked on the PTO, it would have killed itself. So just follow those steps. Now we're going to demonstrate the outriggers, and but first of all, he's going to pull the pins. Okay. Doing the outriggers there. Now the right. This is the first time we've actually dug with this backhoe into some dirt. We just have hard packed ground around here, so it's going to go into this gravel pile. Is that the recommended PTO at idle there, or you can idle it higher?
Well, you can do it at a higher throttle.
Right.
I can get it.
Just right. You can be at a higher throttle if you wish. So that's it, and thank you.